Hey everyone, and as you can see, I'm doing a showcase on Lewis's account. So yeah, this is, well, who'd you guess? Prom, bloody... Okay, so Lewis let me on his account so I can showcase her. This is not on my account, as you can see, King of Fun 0977, not me. Um, oh, okay, well, I'm with this random person who I don't even know, so if they start misbehaving, they're gonna get beaten up. So, yeah, I'm recording right now. Okay. So, as you can see, her first shield, as you can see, it is extremely strong. Like, really, really strong. Yeah, I think it's very pretty. It is very, very strong. As, like, they must have buffed it because, when it first came out, it was weak as. But, yeah. So that's it. That's the shield, and yeah. The next ability, which is R, I'm pretty sure she can hold this forever, or for like a really long time. So that's R, and it knocks them down, yeah. And that was R. That's her, like, oh, her bolts do loads. Oh my god. Will I give them time to heal? I'm gonna show you the flight. If you don't hold it, it does loads of damage. If you don't hold it, it does loads of damage. Okay. Oh! Oh! I didn't know that, you see. So, yeah, well, that's actually fabulous because that'll be a lot more useful. Oh, screams. Okay, she's... Wait. Her next ability, which is F, it's like a big explosion. It does loads. I would say a good amount of damage. Oh. Excuse me? Anyway, I'm just glad Lewis let me on his account for this, because, like, am I ever gonna get this skill? No. Wait, what does it... Her Z is 100% insta. Yeah. I was gonna show you that when the Waffle Elf, but, like, yeah, I'll wait till I've done all the abilities, because the next thing, which we're not gonna really see how much damage it does, but she can hold it for, like, ages, but I'm not gonna hit him because he'll die. So, yeah. The next one, which is C. If you do that gives you 50% more damage. And yeah. So, and as you can see, she's got like a really similar hair, but like backwards. If you can see by like the sides. She's got a really similar hair, but yeah. Her next one, which is X, just is literally an insta. That would be amazing. And by the way, I might farm with her, I'm not gonna lie. Because, like, you can... Yeah, and it'll make my life a lot easier if I can do that, so... Yeah. Her next abilities, which are all her side abilities, these aren't her main ones. I'm just gonna say thank you for helping me through there we go. Oh, dot looks. The next one, which is her lay, which is like a heal. I didn't speak tag. Too damn bad. Anyway, be nice. Lay is basically just a heal. So yeah. The next one is like suffocate. It does a little bit. It does half health. Lay does like, that's a side ability, and then her next one, which is the like explosion one, which is Telgo. Breathes real. I'm so gonna add this person on my main because this person's low-key funny. Okay. And then it's like a flight to get out of situations faster. I can't use my shield in this strangely enough. Anyway, if I can get down, that would be helpful. Looks. I don't speak. I don't speak tag. Breaks. Shields. His shield is just the same in flight. Ooh, screams. His shield is really strong. But yeah. Yeah, that's it. I might do like a 1v1 with this person because they look kind of funny. So we're gonna come back after a little clip. So, by the way, can we just talk about how pretty she is? Like, she's snatched, she's gorgeous. The coaster has like details all the way down with it. Like, can we just talk about the fact that they did a dress like her and her eyes? Oh my god. If she didn't have like a 50% more. What does that say? I can't, I paid for. Screams. Let me just flex on them real quick. Anyways, that will be it for today. Thank you, Lewis, for letting me use your account and doing the showcase. Yeah. /dance3. Anyway, that is it. Credits to this person for helping. They literally just joined me randomly, which I'm really thankful for. And they just passed away. So that will be the end of this video. And thank you for watching. Bye, guys.